Hello, I'm Paul. Welcome back to ASLdeafined.com, and I want to talk about how to create a lesson. So I'm going to log into Teacher Define, and once you do, go to Lessons, My Lessons, and now I can create my first lesson. Now when you do that, you can call it whatever you want. And so let me think. I'm going to call it just a vocabulary review. And you have to have a picture. Now you can have a picture of whatever you want. You can be creative if you like. And I'm going to browse and get a picture. And I'm going to make it visible to all of my classes. Now, I'm going to skip ahead a little bit. If I make it visible to all my classes, and just suppose I have all of level 1, I would tag this lesson that I'm creating beginner. If I want it to be level 2, and I have all level 2, I would mark it as intermediate. If you want to do both beginner and intermediate, that's fine. It could be a review from beginning of time until now, however you want to do it, okay? So I'm just going to call it vocabulary review. I got my picture, and now I'm going to start typing in words. Type in computer, and I click on computer. Now, this magnifying glass will show me the sign for computer to make sure that I'm actually doing the right sign, because there's a lot of signs for computer, probably about 8 of them, which we have in our dictionary. You should look at them sometime. Kind of a cool thing. And then I'm going to start typing other words, maybe dishes. I'm just going to make these words up. So bear with me just for a second. Blue, table, let's do counter, hotel. Again, I'm just making up these words. Dresser, spoon, bowling, doctor, maybe doctor's appointment, reservation, program, study, geography. Sure. Geographical terms? Sure. Oops. Let me go back, and I can edit what I'm doing. For some reason, my computer just decided to do that. But again, it's a good thing it did that. I can go back and edit this, and then I can make changes. Book, review, library card, library, Congress. And you can see that I'm just putting in a lot of words, okay? So when I have it all done and I'm happy with the words that I chose, then I can go ahead and save it. Once I do that, it's going to it's going to create 2 activities for this lesson automatically in the system. You don't have to do anything. Eventually, we'll have more and more activities that you can pick from and to be created automatically for your lesson. But for now, we have 2. And then if you go to intermediate, and I will see the lesson right here, vocabulary review right here. It will always show up in the beginning. Always will show up in the beginning. So, and then if I wanted to change it or modify it, I can go to My Lessons, and I can edit my lesson. Okay, so it's pretty handy, pretty user-friendly. Test it out. See what you think. Give us some feedback. All right, that's all for now. Take care.